back in action, back in the action, boys. Yo, okay, so before we get started with everything in this video, as y'all probably know, actually, I just took 2 days off of filming videos because Ian's been over every single day trying to plan the best trip possible for us and you guys when we go to Vegas. Now, honestly, we got so much stuff planned. I got a tattoo plan that's gonna be wild. We got a bunch of other plans that we're gonna do in terms of video-wise. And I've also been making some calls down there for Ian just to figure out some pricing. Take whatever I just said there as you will. I ain't saying anything else. But anyway, I had to share this with you guys before the video because Ian actually just sent me over a couple of clips when we were on our last trip. I think we were in LA. We've been traveling together before. We go to this thing called SneakerCon. I don't know how many of y'all know about that. But as we're all in this mindset of like, we're gonna have so much fun, he showed me a couple of clips of our last trip, as I just said, and I kind of want to share those with you guys because it's gold. Now, quick warning, what you guys are about to see is drunk name brand. Now, I'm of age. I'm allowed to do this. Just don't be drinking. There's like a little disclaimer there. Anyway, what you're about to see is what happened last time on our trip when we were stuck in a hotel room late at night with a bunch of beers. Alright, boys, so I just got really drunk and I f***ed up the hotel room. It's over here. I killed the lampshade. I got really drunk and I just started doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? But now,
why do you keep doing that?
But now we have to hide the evidence because we have damage deposit on the room.
Paid for with my credit card.
No, yeah, facts, exactly. So we're not trying to have damage deposit. So now we have to hide the f***ing evidence, and we need to hide the whole lamp as a thing. You know what I mean? So
not really.
Take the lamp apart. We need to hide it.
Wait, what?
We need to hide the lamp. See?
Oh boy, what?
So this, we're gonna fucking hide. Oh.
Jesus Christ! You almost took out the TV. I swear to God. Whoa, man. Oh.
Done.
I think
done. I also broke glass everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, stuff gets a little wild with me on trips. Like, that was LA. I'm not even sure what to expect when we go to Vegas, but I just want y'all to know whatever we're doing, we're about to have a lot of fun, and that's proof. Now let's get on to the video. Alright, boys, we got a wild video today. More wild, honestly, than Kim Kardashian's tape, if I do say so myself. Just kidding. We all know that could have been a little more wild than it was. Anyway, so what we got here, boys, is a mystery box video. If you guys been watching the channel for a while, I love mystery boxes. I think they're dope. We unbox stuff we don't know what it is. Who doesn't like a surprise? Except pregnancy surprises would probably not be good. Imagine me as a father, Jesus. Anyway, so the background of this goes, I was on Instagram the other day. I try to check my messages as much as possible. Y'all want to hit me up, go do it. Now, I'm glad I stumbled across this because one of my followers, one of my subscribers, I don't know if you want a shout out. If you do, just tell me you sent the message down below and I'll like pin it or whatever. So somebody said, Name Brand, I know you've been doing a lot of rapper merch stuff lately. I got a perfect plan for you. I replied in the coolest way possible. Let me see it with like one of these emojis. I think that's sick. So what he said is, man, I think the boys will really dig this. I want to put together a rapper mystery box for you for $500. So obviously I'm gonna do it, right? Like, you hit me up, that's a great idea. Worst case scenario, I get scammed, the little dude gets $500. It's a win-win. Name Brands for the children, bro. So without further ado, boys, we actually got a box in the mail. Honestly, I'm a little surprised. I gave this kid 500 bucks. I thought he'd scam me, but it's here. But right off the top, not gonna lie to you guys, I think I know what's in it just because of the packaging. I'm pretty aware with the whole streetwear community and stuff like that, unless he packed it in this box and it's something else. Now, I also want to say real quick, I want to do a little challenge. It's never been done before on the channel, but if we can get 5,000 thumbs up in the first day of this video, I will think very strongly about giving away what's ever in this box. Without further ado, let's get into this bitch, bro. So y'all let me know in the comments down below what you think this is. I'm pretty sure I know. Weird flex, by the way. I'm just gonna be straight up honest. I tried to pick the biggest knife I own just to impress you guys to unbox this. I don't know why I'm being truthful right now, but that was my mindset. Yes! It is it! I don't even know if this is worth $500 to be honest with you guys, but that's what I paid and it's exactly what I thought it was. Holy God shit! Oh my God! We have the I Love It costume. Dude! This is insane! So I don't know how aware you guys are, but this is the costume from the music video I Love It with Lil Pump, Kanye West. They released this for Halloween. I actually thought about buying it for Halloween, but I didn't have enough money. That real check hasn't come in yet. You guys have been real dope to me. Oh my God, it comes with another one! This is the greatest day of my life. We gotta try this on real quick, bro. This has to be the sickest thing I've ever bought in my life. So as y'all can see, I mean, this is a Lil Pump one right here. It's got our moles too, which means honestly, when we finally meet Selena Gomez, we can serenade her with our favorite song. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. Your boyfriend is a dork. McLovin, this is the greatest day of my life. I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna shut off the video right now. I didn't really know what it was. I thought it might be this, but I think we're gonna have a 2-in-1 video. Let me make a call real quick.
Hello?
Sup, bitch? You wanna film a video?
Brandon, is that you?
Grandma? Sorry, wrong number. Wrong number.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm filming a video. I'm sorry, bye. Oh shit. I was trying to call Nick. I have her on my phone as Nana. Oh shit.
yo.
What's up, buddy? You wanna go get kicked out of another mall? Film a video?
Yeah, man, like, just let me just pop in the shower. I'll be there in 10.
Let's do it, buddy. Peace. It's a done deal, boys. Let's go. There he is.
Oh.
What's up, buddy?
Bring the door open.
Alright, bud. So, I got these in the mail, and I want to wear it to the mall.
You got 2 of them, right?
I got 2 of them.
Oh shit, can I wear one?
Yeah, you can wear one. You actually want to wear one with me?
Yeah, man.
This is why he's my boy. Let's go. No,
If you just like,
you gotta let
I
me
think
through
if you
first.
drop one shoulder.
This one?
Yeah, no, like if, no.
Okay, but you
like,
gotta let me through.
Okay, but like, also.
Here, you try. That's good. That's good.
No, I think I'm stuck. We
No, just keep going. Keep going.
After.
Keep going. Yeah, we should have put them on after. Okay, we'll take them off and then we'll go on.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, what are you doing? That's oh my god! Can I go to size 11, please?
Could you shut that off right now, please?
I'll shut it off, but like I just
Arnold
need to get your
Arnold
clarification.
Just turn it off?
Okay, that's fair. Can I like maybe go to Forever 21? I see it's over there.
Absolutely not. Could you turn it
Oh,
off?
wow, there's a lot of you guys. This is crazy. There's 3 of you.
Could you please turn the film off?
I could totally turn it off. Okay. Well, I vlog my life. This is kind of how it goes. Like
Okay,
for
but
me.
not in here. Could you
Not in
please
here.
turn it off?
All right.
Are you still filming?
Right now? Yeah. No.
Then why is the red light going on there?
You know cameras.
Can you please
Yes,
turn
I
it
am.
off?
I am filming. Okay. All right. Is that a ticket citation?
Can you please turn the camera off?
A bar notice. What's that mean?
Means you can't come to the mall anymore.
I'm gonna get banned.
Yeah.
I'm banned from the
You
mall.
are from the other malls.
I'm a big fan of the mall. Wait, you know me?
Doesn't matter, man.
How do you know I'm banned from other malls?
Your videos tell you so.
You know me from videos?
Obviously,
This is craziness. Who told you?
stores.
Higher
don't
up.
Argue.
Wow, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to move out of Winnipeg. All right. So there's only
I'll start the process right after you turn that off.
Okay. All right.
That's fine.
All right, boys, we're out. We're being escorted out while we're still wearing our costumes.
Well, we can't do them off now.
You can't. You commit to the bit. Alright boys, so we just got kicked out of that mall, and barred is what it's called. They asked for our IDs, and we're not gonna get like, you're not cops, you know what I'm saying? So we didn't do that. I'm just laughing at the fact that the whole time, and y'all missed it, I'm sorry, but I had to cut it off. I gotta be real safe with this shit. You know, not showing their faces or anything like that, or even where we're going. The whole time we're getting escorted out.
Wearing the costume.
We're still in
We're
costume. I look at Nick, I'm like, buddy, we gotta go like full in bit, you know what I mean?
Like,
we can't.
two people like yelled out and they're like, yo, what's your YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Is that real?
yeah. So it was sick. We got a little support there, and somebody yelled, "I love it." But yeah, I looked at Nikki. I'm like, dude, we can't take it off. We got to go full fledged on this one, and just get kicked out as it is. So we got this little slip right here, boys. Shit, which means we can't film there anymore for sure. The slip here, it's signed or whatever by them. I didn't sign it. I told them not to sign it, which means I'm banned for life.
Did they write down my
indefinitely.
name on this? Oh, this would be so
Oh yeah, you gotta
Where
show
did I-
that. So anyway,
Oh gosh, that's so funny.
I wanted to get more footage in there, boys. It got called in real fast. What were they saying? Yeah, so you got to slip too.
You gotta show them. I put my name, first name Garda, and last name Worldwide.
Yeah, first name Garda, last name Worldwide. I don't know what that means, but it sounds funny. So
I said Worldwide.
yeah, so we tried to get clips in there, and apparently they saw our last video filming in that mall. And now we're on security cameras. If we ever come back, then the cops will be called. I think it was a win.
I never go to that mall anyways.
Exactly.
Except for
it's
Nike.
fine. Like,
Nike.
nobody gives a shit about this mall. I ain't gonna say where it is, but
We
nobody
literally
gives a
asked
shit.
earlier. We went to the this amazing shoe store
Yeah.
that happened to only sell ladies' footwear.
Yeah.
She said the mall's super freaking slow there.
Dude, we had so many clips before this. I'm just realizing now. We had so many clips for it, and boys, you need to know. Good clips. I'm kind of scared to show them now. Yeah, that's it, boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. We tried real hard. We got barred from them all, though, so y'all rock. Name Brand Fams, Real Sean, Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. We tried, boys. Wow.